Are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Microsoft Teams. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click. On this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage, then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to tell us to like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.